Alright, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. What we're going to be doing today is the oil change on the excavator. So it'll be a quick, simple video and show you how to do it and get it done. So I got it all nice and warmed up now, so we can go ahead and shut it off and let's get started. Alright, so now that's all warmed up, we're going to go ahead and we're going to remove the drain plug right there. So let's go ahead and get that. Alright, so now that I got the little cap off, it's gonna be 7/8 to go ahead and take this off. Alright, there we go. You just want to inspect it as it's coming out. Make sure there's no metal flakes or anything, and there's nothing on the end there. I don't see any shiny bits in the oil, so that's always a plus. Definitely always a plus. And that's pretty dark too, so it's time for a change. And once again, the oil we're going to be using is going to be Valvoline Premium Blue. This is 15W40 heavy duty engine oil. You know, it's endorsed by the old Cummins, so you know it's good. So, all right, let's let that drain, and then we'll go ahead and take off the filter here. All right, so we got our old filter there, and that's from April of last year. Put over 100 plus hours on it, and it's time to do a change on it. So we can go ahead and take that off. Alright, so we got the old filter off, and this was a Napa 21356, and looks like it says Pro Select. Probably see it in one of my other videos, see what kind of filter I put on there, but that's the old one. And now we got the new one here, and this is a filter that I was sent over to me from the UK. It's RL3002. It's RE Filters, and there's the web address right there, but same thing. So we'll go ahead and get this guy on there. Let's get a little bit of oil on the O-ring here. And just clean up this a little bit around here. Some of that oil off of there. Look at that. Look how nice and clean that made that. This thing's gonna need a bath. Alright, so let's go ahead. We'll put a little bit of oil in here. Spill it all around. Alright. All right, and these things go on sideways, so you're going to lose a little bit of oil. Yep. Screw that on there. All right, so we'll get this hand tight on there. That should be on there nice and tight now. All right, let's check out under here, and looks like we're done draining. So let's go ahead and get that plug back in. Just clean up any oil around there so we can see if we have any leaks. All right, so let's go ahead and start filling this bad boy back up.
I think I need to. Here, Mama.
All right, let's check the dipstick, see where we're at here. And we're right at that high mark. So it makes sense because 2 of those equals 8 quarts. And it holds 8.1, and obviously you have some leftover engine oil in there, you know. So, all right. Next thing to do is go ahead and fire her up and check for any leaks. Alright, so no leaks here, other than the oil that was already spilled when I took it off. So that looks good. Yep. Nothing on there. And no leaks here. Yep, that's good. Alright, so that's what we want to see. So let's go ahead and we'll give her a spin around here, get her warmed up, and then we'll check the oil again. All right, the white paper towel test. See if there's any oil leaking from under here. And nothing, just dirt. So, and one last one. Check this guy right here. Make sure there's nothing leaking. No, just dirt, no oil. So, all right, that's what we want. We don't want oil leaking. So let's go ahead and this filter is black, so I can't write on it with Sharpie. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some painter's tape and put it on there, and I'll mark it that way. All right, couldn't find the painter's tape, but I got white electrical tape, so that'll work good. And let's go ahead and check the mileage, our hours here. So we got 25:33. Geez, I don't know why it does that. It makes it look like it's all scrambled, but all right. So 25:33. And it is the 3rd of September. So 9/3/20. All right, so that's all marked now. And we're all set there. One last time, go ahead and check the oil because we might need to top off. All right, so one last time, let's go ahead and check the oil because we might need to top off. And nope, we are good. And that's nice clean oil compared to the black that was there. So she is all set now. All right, there we go. So the oil change is all done. It's all set to start going again. Next thing I'm probably gonna do is the fuel filter, and then probably go ahead and do the drive oil. What are you doing? Put that back up there. Quit taking the chains off of there. All right, so yeah. Whoa. All right, noisy one. All right, so oil change is done. It's all set for now. Quick, simple, easy. Anyone can do it. So we're all set. So once again, we hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Bye, guys.